Some 150 years ago, three young men left their homes in the quiet towns of New England to pursue professional careers in the hub of the region's commercial, financial, and legal activity. That city was Boston. Those three men were a sailor from the coast of Maine, the headmaster of a country school, and a young law school graduate. They opened their office on Court Street, first called Allen & Long, then Allen, Long & Hemenway. That law firm grew to become the Hemenway & Barnes we know today.
Obviously, 150 years is a long time, and the firm, I think, for that entire length of time, really the hallmark of what we do is the direct and personal work with clients. We enjoy that. That's what makes this fun.
My family was part of a wonderful philanthropic entity that Hemenway & Barnes has been involved with from the very start. They've helped us steward this amazing opportunity that started with Dow Jones, and in managing the role we played with that very large vehicle to very personal relationships that they have with us.
Alfred Hemenway joined the law firm after graduation from Harvard Law School in 1863. The strikingly different personalities of the partners created a deep bond and attracted a wide array of clients. Charles Barnes joined the firm in 1893, adding his talents for fiduciary and business law.
Some things never change. The need that people have for trusted advice never changes. The people who come to us and expect us to know them. You want to be in a place, particularly if you are a closely held business, if you are an individual with an extended family, people are coming to us for intensely personal advice. And the fact is, we have a focused practice where clients and institutions come to rely upon us as effectively their firm.
One of the great things about having clients for a long time, we go through life cycles with our clients, and the whole firm has done that because we've been around for so long, and we have a lot of consistency with our clients. So my client I've had the longest, I've worked with them for 22 years. We've been through births, deaths, graduations, every process in the cycle of a family.
As the 20th century unfolded, the firm's office moved to Tremont Street across from the Suffolk County Courthouse. It remained there until 1978, when Hemenway & Barnes moved to its current offices on State Street. Throughout its history, the firm has always called Boston its home. The firm has never lost the distinct blend of skills that defined it 150 years ago.
I have clients coming in with fascinating ideas every single day. New things they want to do, brand new products, brand new technology services. It's interesting being given something new and then bringing 30 years of working with people and dealing with their businesses and helping them address those issues.
Hemenway & Barnes has really been a great partner, and I use that term in a very conscious way. They have provided us with sound legal advice for the company over 2 decades. But what to me really makes Hemenway & Barnes so special is that they're more than legal consults. They're great legal consults, but they really are business partners with us.
Because Hemenway & Barnes represents other people like me that are in the same business as me, they provide a perspective from the other firms, what they're doing, how they're approaching things. They can help me think through mine, and they provide a perspective that I often can't see. We'll talk about what the future is, where's it going, what's happening in this business, what do they see happening in my business, and again, having that perspective is valuable.
Alfred Hemenway was considered one of the nation's finest legal minds. A founder of the American Bar Association and president of both the Boston and Massachusetts Bar Associations, Hemenway brought a relentless intellectual rigor to the firm's practice. An advocate of law reform, Hemenway drafted the legislation creating the Commonwealth's land registration system and land court. It is in that tradition that the lawyers of Hemenway & Barnes continue to contribute to the fabric of Boston's legal community.
The contribution is to have a group of people to whom not only clients can turn, but the courts can turn sometimes. To have a lawyer who, when they come into court, you say, oh, they come from Hemenway & Barnes. I'm going to listen carefully.
We have been here for a long time. We're part of the fabric of New England. You have a group of experienced professionals. We care about our clients deeply. We care about doing what's right for them. You can't get a better place to get help.
As we celebrate 150 years as Boston lawyers and trustees, we are proud of our commitment to our communities. From Greater Boston Legal Services to state and national bar associations to work in Central America.
The San Juan del Sur Sister City Project has built over 10 schools and has provided equipment, support for the teachers in those schools. And I've been active in that project for about 10 years. Here at Hemenway and Barnes, we feel that it's important that we give back in terms of time and energy in addition to financial resources.
You look at what this firm does and what the individuals in this firm do outside of just billing for hours. It's an unbelievable amount of give back to this community and to the poor, to the elderly, to civic organizations like the Gardner Museum.
I can't overstate enough. The foundation, most likely, quite possibly wouldn't even be in existence at this point without the support of Hemenway and Barnes. Not only are they sort of overseeing, making sure the foundation is up to snuff, but then they've gotten involved with a lot of our fundraising efforts. We do a wiffle ball tournament here in Boston, and they've been involved with that for the last 3 years and put a team in. It's kind of neat to see the lawyers and some of their families come out and swing the bat. That's not the most athletic group of people, but they have a good time.
I think what makes Hemenway and Barnes so unique is that they are deeply a part of history, and Boston's history and America's history, and they're forward-thinking. Not you can have old institutions that revel in their history but don't have a today, and that's just not the case here. So they're as forward-thinking as they are steeped in their history.
For 150 years, folks at Hemenway and Barnes have been just what we hope from Bostonians: caring for, committed to their home, the city of Boston. Hemenway and Barnes has always been a solid contributor to our summer job program. I know they've always encouraged their lawyers to get involved in community and cultural organizations.
Now into its second century, Hemenway and Barnes celebrates the tradition upon which the firm was founded, a commitment to providing exceptional legal and fiduciary services.
So after 150 years, we want to say thank you from Hemenway and Barnes to our clients and to the community. We thank you for the great support you've given us. We thank you for the role you've allowed us to play, and we look forward to working with you in the days and years to come.